Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Equinox LT. Stock number Z9549A. Only 57,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. Atlantis Blue Metallic in color. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 57,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.